What's up, everybody? Today I will be reviewing some best iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. Showing you guys the iPhone 11 Pro case. So number one, as I will show you black TPU case. It has a nice finishing at the back. It's not that shiny. It's kind of matte finishing look at the back. It's one of these slim cases out there in the market though. And the good thing about this one, you see these edges, this goes in the top of your phone even. So that's one of the benefit of this is if you even if you put your phone upside down on the table, it will protect the front part of the screen. It's very famous with the in terms of sleek and slim case. So if people prefer slim and unique case on their iPhone, so it's one of the biggest choices out in the market. The second one I'll show you guys, it's similar concept is um, a see-through TPU case. So it's same concept as the other one. It's the good thing about this is when you put your phone in, it will you can visibly show off your phone what color, like different, like how in 11 there's different colors in the phone again. And if you put the phone upside down, these edges will surely protect the screen of the phone and protect you from scratches and stuff if you put your phone upside down on the table. It's one of my biggest choices out there in the market, but it's one of the drawback with this clear cases. After a couple of months it turns yellowish. It kind of goes turn its color. So what you have to do is just put this case in the bleach for overnight, and it will get rid of this yellowish part. And number third case in my list today is similar one as the other one, see-through, but this is not as a rubber and flimsy case. It's got a hard back at the base of the phone, but the sides are, you can see it's kind of rubberish. It's one of the best case in the market if you want to get that heavy look on the phone, but it still want to show off your phone. It has a nice speaker slots and the charging slot, which is very good to charge and listen to your music. Number fourth in my list is it's hard black case. It's a mixed. It's one of the slim armor cases. This has a nice black finishing at the back, and again this has the side edges, very sharp edges, and that will go top of the screen. Again, if you're dropping your phone like upside down or putting upside down, it will protect the screen for sure. And it's a nice big slot for power here, power switch and volume up and down switches, which are very nicely laid out. This case consists of like two cases. One is rubber case that goes beneath, and the hard case goes on the top. It will protect it against any fall and will help to absorb the shock for sure. It's very popular in terms of if people want to protect their phone, if they drop their phone a lot, it will sure one of the biggest choice out in there in the market. But one of the drawback, it's not one of these slim cases, so if you planning to use this phone, it's kind of feel big on your pocket or in your purse. It comes in different color, but I only could got a red color. It's a lot of people like red because it's especially if you put your phone like in a bag, it's easy to see it easy to navigate the phone in the bag. Next one, my best case, one of my favorite here is this caseology case. It comes in different color, but I only could find this rose gold. Again, this case is also consists of two cases, rubber and hard at the back. This is a nice feeling. It's not one of those like this black case with a plain texture at the back, but this one is a texture at the back that gives you a nice feeling. um, Again, the buttons are properly laid out, volume button and the vibrator here and the power button here. There is plenty of space for your, even if you use any different bigger iPhone cable, it will properly fit into the phone. Next, I will be talking about this very heavy duty case. A lot of construction people get this case. It's surely one of the biggest case, and it's very heavy duty. A lot of like truck drivers, mechanics, these people usually get this case. This case is very secure in terms of you have a vibrator slider, so you can protect it with the dust and stuff, similar to as a charging here. You can see this knob here, so you can, once you charge, you can put it back so no dust will go in. Proper spot for the speakers, and a camera space, really nice layout. You can see this grip here at the side. It's kind of feels good, plus give you a grip. It's not that slippery phone. Again, this phone, this case, let me open this for you. This one opens like this. It's similar to OtterBox case. So again, this is a rubber part and this is the hard part. It has locks at the side. Let me show you guys. So it has those plastic locks. So once you open this, I don't know, big nails. So it's two pieces, one is back and one is the front. So once you put your phone in, you can see these locks here. You have to put it nicely, put in these slots. Like you can hear those clicks. Once your phone inside, and on the top you would put this rubber in, so even if you drop your phone, this rubber will help to absorb all the shock and won't the phone damage. This is one of the best case out there, for especially for people who do a lot of construction work and involved in a lot of heavy duty labor work, pretty much. Next one I'll show you guys. I got these cases from a nearby local flea market. These are really nice cases. Let me show one of the case here. It has a really nice texture, like nice matte finish look at the back. It feels really good. Plus this contrast of blue and green, it's kind of unique, and it has a fancy look. This one looks pretty decent though. It has a slots for a charging speaker. It has this slots here just to put the cord or thread into. Sometimes people put the thread in and put in their wrist to hold the phone. Again, on the side it has nice edges. It will go on top of the screen. Yeah, it comes in like this color. Let me show this. It's kind of see-through. Not it's a semi see-through case. And one different color is red with red and with the green color. You can get this in different colors, but this one's it's like a bumper case pretty much. It's on the side, it's rubberish, but at the back it's a hard plastic material. So next I'll be talking about some flip iPhone case. I got this in black, blue and black color. Let me show one to you guys. These flip cases are really famous these days in the market. So it looks like this. It has a nice texture at the back. It feels like unique and feel kind of professional. Let me open this. It has a plastic TPU case here for it to put the phone in. This one is made of plastic, but if you can see here, you have a lot of space to put your money in, or even your debit card, credit card, driver license, all kind of stuff. The good thing about this case is even if you put your phone inside and your phone is inside, you close like this, and then if you receive a call, just slide it like this on the phone, close it, and you see this slot here that's for to talk. So you don't have to hold your phone like this and talk. You can just close the phone and still use this case. That's a good case in terms of protection. Even if you drop the phone, it will protect the front screen for sure. A nice camera slot here. The good thing about this case, you can also make a stand like this. So if you're watching a movie or reading something, it's like, yeah, I hope you guys can see it properly. So once you have the weight in, it will kind of stand it out. Guys, like this video, and this video will help you to pick the right case for your phone. So that's it for today. Make sure you guys like my video and subscribe to my channel for all cool amazing videos. Thank you. Bye bye.